Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really cute layered card for you. This is my Christmas Goodies layered card. How cute is this design? You have those tags there just kind of sprinkled falling down, and then this really cute candy cane here on the right. It opens up for your message, and of course there's an envelope as well. Layered cards are such a fun one to make because they come together really easily, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for this project you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, scraper, weeding tool, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holidays with the Housewife 2024. If you're watching this video during the event, you can access the cut file from the event page at thebeardedhousewife.com/holiday-event. If you are a VIP access pass holder, the download button for the cut file is below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, that gives you full access to all 12 event files, printable worksheets, bonus cut files, and commercial licensing, you can head to thebeardedhousewife.com/HWTH2024. I have links to all of these in the description box below. No matter how you get the cut file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. We can go ahead and ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight the score lines. Change those to score. Highlight the group and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score line, change it to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once those two pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is layer the front cover panel together. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the greenish blue, red, the yellow color, and then the brown. Now I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer all this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side for a minute so that can go ahead and dry. Now let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. I'll set that to the side. Now we can take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up that card base. Let's attach the messaging panel to the inside. And close that up. And now we can attach the front cover panel to the front of the card. And there is our card all finished. I'm going to set that to the side so that can go ahead and dry. Now we can make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Now we can take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, fold in those side flaps. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. What did you think of this design? When my mom wrapped presents, she always included a little candy cane next to the tag, so that's kind of the inspiration for this one. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I've got a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye-bye.